Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jenna Morrow. I'm an interior designer in Washington, D.C. And on today's video, I'm going to share with you ways that you can give your overnight guests a 5-star hotel experience right in your home. No matter the time of year that you're hosting, whether it's the holidays, the spring, the summer, these ideas are going to elevate your hosting experience and give your guests a stay that they will never forget. So let's get into them. Number 1, a welcome note. Y'all, there is nothing more special than small touches that hotels give you when you stay at the hotel. One of those being a note. Give your guests a welcome note, leave it on the bed, wherever they'll be sleeping. Keep that little stash in your home so you can give them out to guests every time a new one stays. Number 2, a snack basket. Now y'all, think about when you travel and you reach your hotel, you're likely very hungry. Give them a snack basket that is filled with some of their favorite snacks. Small snacks like chocolate covered pretzels, pita crackers, potato chips. You also want to throw in some water in the snack basket because, again, once they reach your home, they're likely going to be thirsty. And then if you want to step it up a notch again, include a miniature bottle of some bubbly, some champagne that your guests can sip on during their stay. I want to sprinkle in some bonuses throughout this video. So one that I'm going to start with is a luggage rack. Luggage racks are so underrated for your home. They're popular in hotels, but I don't know about y'all, when someone's coming to stay in my home, I do not like the idea of their suitcase resting on the bed for any reason. You can find affordable luggage racks at stores like Amazon and Wayfair. Number 3, white towels and white washcloths. Y'all, hotels are known for having the white towels and white washcloths. Do the same for your guests. You can find really affordable, high quality options on Amazon. That's actually where I get mine from. I order them as a pack, I wash them when they arrive, and anytime a guest is staying, they're already ready to go. Number 4, books and magazines. Offer your guests magazines that are related to a topic that they're interested in or just simply a generic magazine. You can also include books. Maybe you have books at home that you love and highly recommend. Leave one on the bed for your guests so they can read it during their stay, especially during those times of night when they can't sleep. They can pop open the book and enjoy a good read. Number 4, toiletries. I like to give my guests travel-sized toiletries. I'm thinking specifically body wash, lotion, room spray, and also a little body mist. What I like about the travel-size option is it's easy for me to store when I do not have an overnight guest. They're affordable and I can buy more than one option. I can have small sizes of different brands and scents. I want to throw in another bonus right here, which is a cozy robe. Now this one is actually more work and it's not as affordable as the other options I've shared, but if you want to give your guests that Ritz-Carlton experience, include a robe. You can find options literally anywhere, Target, Amazon, or you can go a little more fancy and do a store like Pottery Barn, but nonetheless, have a robe or 2 on hand, hang them up in the closet. Number 5, a coffee or tea station. I don't know about y'all, but my day does not start without coffee, and your guests likely have a similar vibe. Whether it's coffee or tea, have a little station in the kitchen that your guests can use to make themselves a cup of coffee or a cup of tea in the morning. Have something like a French press. These are affordable from Target. You can also have an espresso machine, and if you really want to go big, you can have an espresso machine so they can make lattes or shots of espresso. I like to make my coffee station a little fancy by incorporating some really fancy looking, not fancy to the price, but fancy looking servingware like a teapot, a mug with a matching saucer, and a little dish they can use to serve their creamer. I got mine from IKEA, so like I said, they are fancy looking, but they were not fancy to my wallet. This is a nice way to give your guests an elevated experience in your home. Number 7, warm accent lighting near the bed. Soft white light bulbs or warm white light bulbs are really nice ways to add a cozy feeling to a space at night. Have a table lamp, a floor lamp, or a reading light that your guests can use at night as they're winding down and just getting ready for bed. So opt for soft white or warm white lighting. And last but not least, fresh bedding. Y'all, what is good rest without good bedding? Go to a store like Home Goods, TJ Maxx, Marshalls, even Amazon, Target. They have lots of options for bedding that's affordable but still plush. If you want to go fancy, you can look at Pottery Barn or Crate and Barrel. They have really nice options that are a lot more expensive, but you can reuse them again and again, given the high quality. Add sheets, a comforter, or a duvet insert with a nice duvet cover. Top it off with a blanket or a quilt, especially during these colder months. And of course, finally, some really plush pillows that they can enjoy. And my last bonus, if you care, is fresh flowers, y'all. I love me some fresh flowers. You can find really nice ones at a place like Trader Joe's, or maybe you have a wholesale florist near you, or just really any grocery store. Get your guests some nice florals, add it to the nightstand next to the bed. If going for the real thing is not something you're interested in, you can always incorporate faux flowers like the one you see behind me that are here in the guest room that's in my house. All right, y'all, that's it for me for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you like interior design, home decorating, hosting, or organizing content, hit that subscribe button so you never miss a future video when it goes live. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video.